This is different. But we're gonna try it. Have fun. Sure wish I had a Chevy pickup, but don't that new one look good? Dang. I'm gonna let that run for a little bit. It almost didn't want to start. Where do you put the... Where do you put the key? Oh. Boy, it smells like cologne in this car. So what I think they had going on is the paint started peeling off the roof, and they put these stupid stickers on it to cover it up. Whatever. Today's video is brought to you by Brunt Workwear. Not really. But facts are, they did send me these boots last year. I made a couple of short videos about them. Waterproof, safety toe. I'm gonna give my honest opinion about them. Number one, I like how they send extra insoles and you can add or remove them to make them fit the way you want. Number two, they had to be broken in. They were very uncomfortable the first few wears. After I broke them in, they got more comfortable. They're heavy. I love the look of them. Brunt work boots. Check them out. I'm gonna explain a little bit about what I'm doing. This was rust. I ground the rust out, knocked it in with a hammer, blew out any contaminants inside, and then I covered it with a fiberglass filler. I'm gonna grind that, and then we'll switch to body filler, which will make it smooth. Again, now I know there's gonna be a bunch of YouTube haters going, that's not the right way to fix it. Yeah, I get that. You know, ideally, you would cut the metal out, put new metal in. It's a new day. I pulled everything out, swept the shop, blew it out, got it nice and clean. Bumper has been wet sanded. We are sanding wet with 400 grit and 1000 grit. So like this, I'm getting ready to sand with 400, and then I'm gonna sand this with 1000 because that's my blend. So I'll just put paint back here where I need it, and up here will only be clear. I will blend the paint into this panel to match so you don't see like a dead butt. Everything is washed, pulled back in the shop. The shop is clean. We're gonna let it sit here and dry for a day or so. Everything is pretty much ready just to be taped off and painted. Okay, you got kind of dirty. So, not the first coat, the first step. I also want to add the fact that I changed my glasses out because the overspray gets very vicious.
Let's try this again. That's coat number 1. We usually do 2 coats of clear. This is a really good clear. Builds up really thick, really nice and shiny, flat sitting. So I'll only do 2 coats. If you're gonna use a cheaper clear, you probably wanna do 3. Or if you suck at painting, you'll wanna do 3. That way the guy cleaning it has enough material to buff. That's coat 1. And it won't take very long to tack up. When you touch it and it's stringy, hit it again. I got it good and warm in here. It's about 75 degrees. That won't take long at all. Just maybe a couple of minutes and I'll be back on it.
I shouldn't have drank the whiskey because I forgot about you guys. I came in here, turned on the heater, opened the doors, turned on the fan, took off the plastic. You skipped that step. Basically, it's just like unwrapping Christmas presents. Oh crap. You guys want to take a look at it? Let's look at it. Whee! Doesn't that look so much better? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! New paint, yeah! Color match. Pretty good!
Once again, we're going to put 3 or 4 coats of white on that until it's covered, and we'll mix up some clear and shoot it. I'm going to get to that. I'll come back to you guys when that's done.